on to our overview of the Wati Shopify feature. So first of all, to access Wati Shopify, you need to go to the integration page and click Shopify. So here it'll ask you to install your store, and you can also add on additional stores as well to this app. And once you install it, it will look something like this, and it will redirect you to the permissions page. So as well as the giving permissions, we have several features of our app, which includes WhatsApp chat. So you can enable or disable the feature here, and then you can edit the background color, edit the text sizes, the border radius, and also where the position of the WhatsApp chat is. And you can also edit the name, the subtitle, so it'll be replies every day, and you will see the updates in the preview bar. And then you can select the phone number you want to direct it to the Wati, and then also if they have any default messages as well that you could include, and also if you want to update the image. So it looks something like this, and then once you save it, it will reflect the changes into the Wati bar. So this is something that you can see here, and then you can click on start chat and it will redirect to the WhatsApp page right here. Okay, as well as our WhatsApp live chat features, you can see that we have cash on delivery. So cash on delivery, you can make sure that you have set up the cash on delivery feature on your checkout page. So make sure to go to your checkout settings and make sure that you have selected this option, which is the shipping address phone number. You have to have it for us to enable the cash on delivery feature. And then also you can choose to select which countries cash on delivery messages you would like to send to. So you can type by here. So if you wanted to say, I would like to send it to Hong Kong, you put it here. And then you can also add additional countries as well, such as India. And by default, you will be able to select our template, which is this one. And you'll be able to see that it looks like so. So here it will grab the dynamic elements of your customer's details as well as your own shop information, such as your shop name and also the total price of it as well. Here you can choose whether you wish to follow up or not, and you can choose to follow up of a period of up to 55 minutes. So this means that if your user doesn't reply to your first message, another message will be sent to follow up asking for their confirmation. And then for cancellation status, this will automatically tag it as cancelled by Wati on the orders page in Shopify if they've chosen to cancel, and also restock it. And then also if the order has no response after 24 hours, it will automatically tag the order as cancelled in Shopify as well. And here you can also tag your orders. So by tagging, we mean that it will look something like this in your orders page in Shopify. And you can also choose to edit this text to however you would like it to be displayed. By default, this is what is set to. And remember to save your changes. On top of that, you can manage your orders as well. So here you can see our orders are listed here, the products, the customer information, the date that they ordered, and the amount. Here we have the tag information that will be shown. So for some orders you may see it's blank right now. So blank means that it has yet to be confirmed by the end user. So they've not pressed confirmed or cancelled. After 24 hours, there will be a tag that says unconfirmed that will show, but it will only display after 24 hours. For this delivery, this means the delivery message of the WhatsApp message. So if the WhatsApp message has been sent successfully or unsuccessfully, it will be displayed here. The tooltips above will indicate some more information as well, and then you can also filter the orders however you would like as well, by unconfirmed, cancelled, or if there's blank information as well. So it will show here. You can also filter by date, and then also you can filter by whether the message was successful or unsuccessful, so that you can help follow up in the broadcast page as well with any customers that are unsuccessful. For automated messages, you can also make sure to view the guide and complete all the steps to make sure that you have set up the requirements needed for abandoned cart messages and order confirmation messages to be sent out. Please remember to do this step, otherwise you will not be able to use the below features. So you can see here whether you can choose the shipping number or the billing phone number, and then you can choose to enable several templates as well. So if you would like to send an abandoned cart message, so this will be sent to the customer after you selected like how many minutes as well, and then this will only be triggered once a user has abandoned their cart at checkout page. Once an order has been confirmed, you can send a confirmation message. So if payment has been collected or the user has confirmed the order, then this will be triggered if you choose to have it. And then if you have any items that have tracking URL, you can use this template, order shipment with tracking URL, to send out the follow-up message on WhatsApp. Once an order has been fulfilled, you can also trigger this message as well. And then finally, if you also have some follow-up messages that you would like to send to the user, maybe after a certain amount of days, you want to check in and see if they enjoyed their purchase, and you can also follow up after this as well. And finally, if you enabled returns, you can also trigger this once you have triggered a refund in your Shopify store. So finally, we move on to the analytics page. So analytics, you can toggle between our cash on delivery feature and also a automated messages feature as well. So here you can choose the date range, you can pick whatever you want. By default, it's the last 7 days, and you can see the total revenue captured from our confirmed orders. This is the data for our total orders, so this includes confirmed, unconfirmed, and cancelled orders. This displays the status of the WhatsApp messages that have been delivered and then successfully, and then this also displays the status of the messages that have been failed to have delivered, so you can check and see if you need to follow up with those clients there. For automated messages, you can also see how many carts have been abandoned during the time range, and then whether a cart has been recovered. If a cart has been recovered, this usually means that your client has chosen to click on the link sent in our WhatsApp template message and also proceed with checkout. So you can see for this time range, it was back to 100%. And also for analytics, you can always filter it by clicking on the various different statuses as well, so you can understand more information, and you can also hover over the amounts. And this is it for our WhatsApp Wati Shopify integration feature. We hope you enjoy this video introduction, and if you have any questions, please feel free to email us at hello@wati.io. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.